Biden moved 10,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase. Shook markets fucking scared. They're gonna dump that Bitcoin. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, like I said, the U.S. government moved 10,000 Bitcoin that they confiscated in the Silk Road ordeal, and they moved it to Coinbase. And the CPI report today came out actually bullish. I just want to read a little bit about that first because I'm confused why we were dumping, but this is that's because the U.S. government moved all that Bitcoin. And it seems kind of like they're doing it, all these fuddish articles are coming out right before interest rates are coming, like trying to, they're trying to make retail investors sell so they can buy for cheap. And then the retail can be their exit liquidity as they buy back in. It's fucked up, but that's what they do. Anyways, let me read this. It's just from the Wall Street Journal. It's just from today. Let me just read this real quick. The latest inflation data has all but assured investors that an initial rate cut from the Federal Reserve is in store next month, but perhaps not a super-sized one. Okay, that's good. We don't want a 50 basis point rate cut. I talked about this before. 50 basis points, anything over 25 basis points probably equals no soft landing. Because that's signaling to the markets the Fed fucked up and they're trying to scramble to avoid a fucking recession. And that they don't want that. They don't want to cause those problems, Looking like a 25 basis point rate cut, boys. That's what we wanted. Bullish as fucking shit. Really need to buy this dip if you want to get rich. But yeah, the consumer price index showed prices rose 2.9% in the past 12 months through July, below economists' expectations for 3%. A day earlier, another gauge had reassured investors by showing signs of moderating factory gate inflation. After Wednesday's report, investors leaned toward a quarter-point rate cut, like I said, 25 basis point, rather than a half-point reduction when the Fed meets next month. Future prices implied a 65% chance of a smaller cut in September versus 47. Yes, and if we go to the CME FedWatch tool, we can see here 100% chance of fucking ease, boys. We are almost there, Almost. We have a month, basically, maybe like 35 days or something to this meeting. All we have to do is hold the fucking line. Grab your sword, grab your seal, grab your 12 gauge, get in the fucking Chevy, put it in 4-wheel drive, and ride out on the fucking bears. Someone hit that fucking snare and pass the 12 gauge. No, but seriously, guys, we've been in the fucking trenches. Goddamn, as soon as we think it's relief, more. We get hit with the Jerome Powell drones. We get hit with all this shit, Tired of Jerome Powell. I'm ready for you to cut the motherfucking rates so I can see some fucking gains and cut that bullshit. Yeah. Anyways, let me read about this U.S. government ordeal. This is why everybody's, freaking out right now. United States government is currently the largest geopolitical holder of Bitcoin, with 203,000 Bitcoin under the control of the United States. Yes. The U.S. government shifted roughly 10,000 Bitcoin to a wallet address entering the letters NOE on August 14th, 2024 at 1 or 3, whatever. I'm not good with the military time. 1538. According to data from the Arkham Intelligence, according to the on-chain analytics firm, the funds were seized during the Silk Road raid and are currently valued at $593 million. And guys, if you think about this, that's not shit. Bitcoin is like a $1 trillion market cap. I don't know why people are getting scared about this. Even if they dumped all the Bitcoin that they have right now, what the fuck? What's it gonna do? Go down to 57? Oh, who the fuck cares? You know? They're doing this shit on purpose so they can shake retail out, right? So they can gobble this shit up for cheap. Because they know interest rates are on the way. And trying to steal your fucking gains. Don't believe that bullshit. But yeah, that is that. You know, there was another thing saying that they might just be moving it there so they can custody the Bitcoin, but I don't know. They might dump it. Who knows? And honestly, as bad as it sounds, guys, if they dump this Bitcoin, that looks bad for Kamala Harris, which is going to bring my next subject of talking. I'm going to talk about that and then a little bit of LCX. But if they're trying to act like they're crypto friendly, guys, and you know, first of all, you know you're not. You got Gary Gensler in here causing a fucking scene, suing every crypto company that's in existence, you know. And then as soon as Donald Trump says something about he's not going to sell the Bitcoin, what do? They turn around and they're sending Bitcoin to the exchange that looks like they're selling it, you know. Buddy, it looks like you're a fucking lying piece of shit. Your party isn't crypto friendly. So you can suck on this dick. Seriously. I'm about tired of Kamala doing that. But anyways, here we go. Kamala Harris may continue the Biden administration's crypto crackdown. Crack down on that ass, boy. Kamala Harris, the Vice President of the United States, aims to maintain the Biden administration's stringent stance on cryptocurrency regulation. Harris is reportedly working with Brian Deese nuts, and Bharat Ramatru, wherever the fuck you say that name, two former economic advisors that probably shouldn't have a fucking job of the Biden administration, have heavily opposed the previous Clarity for Payment Stablecoins Act of 2023 for being too permissive for issuers. Harris' choice of economic advisors could signal her intention to continue the Biden administration's hostile crypto regulatory approach, according to Alex Thorne, head of Research Galaxy. He wrote, "New evidence Kamala Harris will continue the crypto crackdown. Her advisor choice suggests she will keep Biden's hostile attitude to crypto." And also, guys, SEC, Gary Gensler, chairman of Gary Gensler, the Biden administration appointed him, and he's done nothing but shit. You know, shit on the fucking industry. And they're telling you, oh, we're crypto friendly after doing all this shit, you know, suing everybody and all this stuff. And now they're sending Bitcoin to sell it. They're not crypto friendly. Get the fuck out of here, dude. They want your vote. They want to steal your fucking vote. So you don't vote for Trump. That shit won't work. It's not working for me, buddy. I don't even need to read the rest of that. Let's talk about LCX. Oh, also, one more thing. Metamask is launching a debit card. Metamask starts rollout of blockchain-based debit card developed with MasterCard. The Metamask card is the first available in a pilot phase to a few thousand users in EU and UK, with wider release expected later this year. Users will be able to make purchases directly with their USDC, USDT, and ETH assets held on Layer 2 network Linea. Okay. Yeah, that's bullish. That's just good for the space, guys. It's showing more adoption. That's partnership with MasterCard. That's bullish. Anyways, LCX. This is something I saw on LCX. I was just, you know, looking what I do on Twitter and shit. I just saw this. LCX, a regulated cryptocurrency exchange, redefining the future of crypto. Here's how. And I clicked on the link, and I just want to read this real quick about LCX. LCX, gateway to a safe, regulated, secure, and transparent exchange. With all the uncertainty and lack of transparency outside, LCX offers stability that the consumer needs. Here's a brief overview of why LCX stands out. Regulated under Liechtenstein blockchain laws. LCX is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange registered with the Financial Market Authority of Liechtenstein, which means it is regulated. In LCX, the consumer funds are segregated from the company funds. In the event of insolvency or mismanagement within LCX, consumer funds are safe by law. Okay. That, I don't know if other chains are offering that, you know. I'm just throwing that out there. I didn't even know they did that until now, and I've been fucking with LCX for a long time. Audited by independent third-party audits. LCX believes in independent audits to enhance transparency and security. All right, I don't want to go through all this stuff, but let's just do a quick run through what LCX is and what they offer. Our vision, LCX vision, is to bring the power of blockchain technology to the finance and banking industry. So they're a fintech company, guys, and they are trying to merge banking and blockchain. They want to be the first licensed and supervised blockchain in the entire ecosystem. Like banking blockchain bank, you know? And they're regulated. I mean, dude, they're trying to tokenize assets on top of this, guys, in the real world asset. Then you get the MiCA regulations coming out. Yeah, February of next year, LCX could be fucking doing numbers, guys. Honestly, whenever the market starts to recover, and I see LCX breaking new all-time highs before the year's up, honestly. That's not going to be that hard. I think the all-time high was like 50, 60 cents. I think that's doable, you know? And I see LCX as a fucking, I mean, it's the only exchange token listed on Coinbase. You know, what does that tell you? It's probably a good project, bro. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get off here. I'm tired as fuck. If you're getting any value, like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm getting off here. Hold down the fort.